Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, we're taking a look at the Amazfit Active 2, a smartwatch packed with over 160 sports modes and an impressive 10-day battery life, all for just $100. But here's the catch. If you're willing to spend an additional $0, you can upgrade to the Pro version, which comes with NFC payments and a sapphire crystal glass display, a rare feature in budget smartwatches. I have the standard version with me today, and we'll dive into everything it has to offer. So let's get started by exploring its specs and design. Design and display. The Amazfit Active 2 is designed with both style and functionality in mind, featuring a sleek black colorway complemented by a durable 20mm Kaiser strap. This strap not only enhances comfort, but also includes a quick release mechanism for easy swapping and adjustment, accommodating wrists up to 19.5 cm in circumference. One of its standout features is the series of ventilation holes, which promote better airflow and help reduce sweat buildup during workouts. The smartwatch itself boasts a vibrant 1.32-inch AMOLED display, protected by 2.5D tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating. While this coating minimizes smudges, occasional fingerprint marks may still appear, a common trait among touchscreen devices, steel bezel and weight. The Amazfit Active 2 strikes a balance between durability and lightweight comfort, featuring a steel bezel paired with a sturdy plastic frame. Despite being a budget-friendly smartwatch, its slim black bezel surrounding the display gives it a premium look. Weighing just 29.5 grams, it's significantly lighter than many competitors, including last year's Samsung Galaxy Watch, making it an ideal choice for all-day wear and intense workouts. The 44mm case houses two conveniently placed side buttons. Long pressing. The top button activates the built-in voice assistant, while the bottom button offers quick access to a customizable function, enhancing ease of use. Extended battery life. The Amazfit Active 2 offers impressive versatility with its customizable buttons, allowing users to tailor their smartwatch experience by assigning shortcuts to essential apps like health tracking or phone features. Beyond functionality, its battery life is a major highlight. Powered by a 270 mAh battery, the watch delivers up to 10 days of standard usage, while enabling battery saving mode extends it to an impressive 19 days. Even under heavy usage, it maintains solid performance, lasting around 5 days. For outdoor enthusiasts and athletes, the continuous GPS tracking provides up to 21 hours of operation, ensuring reliability during long-distance workouts and adventures. Answer incoming calls. One of the standout features of the Amazfit Active 2 is its impressive overall performance, offering smooth operation across a variety of tasks. However, the charging time could be improved, as it takes a full 2 hours to reach a complete charge. In terms of smart features, the Active 2 is well equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker, enabling users to interact with the voice assistant and even engage in brief conversations. Additionally, the watch supports phone functionality, allowing you to answer, decline, and initiate calls directly from your wrist. You can save contacts to your address book or manually dial numbers using the on-screen keypad, making it a convenient tool for staying connected on the go. 400 free watch faces. These include a voice memo, timers, alarms, and even air pressure monitoring, along with a built-in compass for navigation. One of its standout features is the extensive selection of watch faces, with over 400 options available for free in the Zepp Watch Face Store. These watch faces are categorized into different styles, offering everything from minimalist designs to data-rich layouts, customizable backgrounds, and freestyle options. You can even personalize the watch face by setting your own picture as a background. Additionally, the Active 2 allows for easy customization. Simply long press the screen to switch between different watch faces, giving you the flexibility to adapt the look of your smartwatch to your preferences. Comprehensive health tracking. Now, let's dive into the health features. Its sleep tracking functionality monitors different sleep stages and provides a detailed sleep score, helping users understand their rest patterns. However, one limitation is that daytime sleep is categorized as a nap, meaning night shift workers won't receive in-depth sleep analysis, only nap duration. For heart health, the watch continuously tracks heart rate, HR, throughout the day, and night, displaying minimum and maximum readings, along with heart rate zones for better activity monitoring. The built-in SpO2 blood oxygen monitor is also available, though it only measures levels when the user is at rest. Additionally, the smartwatch tracks heart rate variability, HRV, and generates a readiness score, helping users gauge their body's preparedness for daily activities. Beyond these core features, the Amazfit Active 2 supports stress tracking, menstrual cycle tracking, wrist temperature monitoring, and the one-tap measurement feature, which simultaneously records key health metrics, including heart rate, SpO2, stress levels, and breathing rate, with a single tap. These features make it a well-rounded health companion for users looking to stay informed about their physical well-being. Over 160 sports modes. The Active 2 also supports a wide range of sports modes, 160 in total, including activities like high rock racing, free training, swimming, snowboarding, ball sports, and even hula hooping. It can automatically detect and start workouts such as running and swimming. During workouts, you get plenty of customization options, including a virtual pacer, cadence assistant, goal settings, and alerts. You can also personalize your workout display, selecting from 60 different data metrics, free maps with Turn. Lastly, let's talk about activity tracking and the built-in GPS. The GPS performance is quite reliable, providing accurate tracking most of the time. It maintains straight paths well, captures turns effectively, and only shows minor inaccuracies in urban environments. Overall, it's a solid GPS that you can definitely rely on. With the support of 5 satellite positioning systems, you'll acquire connection quickly for accurate positioning that keeps your navigation on track. What customers are saying. But this time, we're not just sharing our thoughts. We've gathered some amazing customer feedback to show you exactly what people are saying about it. Imgmat say, Amazfit finally has a flagship killer that outpunches its price. Michelle Pacheco say, the Amazfit smartwatch is an outstanding choice for those seeking a stylish, feature-packed, and affordable wearable. Daria Kudryavtseva say, I've been using the Amazfit Active 2, and I'm really impressed with its features and performance. That's all for now. See you in the next one.